Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today, the grandson stayed over with us, with Paul and the grandson, and we're now heading to the pool. We're heading to the pool. Progressing, it's moving, and I'll take off. Sammy Davis and
going to the pool, guys.
I'm gonna go over by the pool for a brief second, see what it's like over there, and then maybe I don't know what we're gonna do, wherever it leads us today. But as usual, I'm gonna take you guys on that bus. Look at him. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. He's all ready for the pool. What do you think?
Feel good. I feel good. I feel fun.
Yeah. So we're gonna head on down to the pool now for a brief second. Yeah. For a brief second.
It's just the swimming skills.
He's probably gonna just beat around in the water, you know that. Yeah.
That's a good start.
Here comes our elevator. Right, yeah. There we go. It says, okay, enter. There we go. Come on in, baby. There we go. Now we get to hit pool. The pool is on the 3rd floor. Nice.
You've been to the pool before?
Have you been to the pool, Isaac? No. So that's where we're going this morning. Down to the pool.
Hey!
Ooh, heading to the pool, guys. Pool area. What is that noise? You hearing a whole bunch of chiming? That's probably Isaiah, and they're probably just getting up. They're oftentimes late when they get up. So we up early and we're going to the pool. Look at us going to the pool this hour of the morning. There we go. What do you think, honey?
It's a great time for it.
Right.
The weather's perfect.
Yes.
You gotta see what's going on.
There we go. Let's go over all on the other side. Ooh, isn't that beautiful? Look at the baby, the water. Where you want to go, baby? Can we get a cabana over there? Can we see that cabana over there? Can we ask for the cabana? Number 6. I'm going to find out. 1 second. 1 second.
Going to the pool, guys, with the baby. Here we go.
Come on, walk it out, honey. So cute. Walk him out. Come up and step it down. Make him come up. Come on. on. Come on, Isaac. Come on, Isaac. Come on, baby. Come on. Keep walking. You keep walking. You keep walking. Here you come. Keep walking back, honey. Here you come. Where are you? Yeah. Good. That's it. That's it. Good boy. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back to the seat. Good job. Oh, that was good.
Yeah, that was good.
Woo. Yeah.
See you guys.
Okay. Yeah. So a lot more people are coming in now, and it's getting a little hotter right now. So my baby, the sun came out real quick. So that was really nice that we got to stay there. We were able to be in there for like a little good 20, 25 minutes. That was really nice.
Yeah.
We got to go into the water. See, we like that. So that was pretty cool.
Letting his little legs float.
Yes.
Kick back and relax.
Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm just gonna go on up to the room now, get ready, and then maybe we're gonna go out, do something for the rest of the day. Yeah, guys. So here we go. It's pretty decent. Yeah, living room. Yeah. Pollys sitting down relaxing. Look at us, we're cooking up a storm fan. See ya? We're doing some curry potatoes. Guys, let me take that off. We're doing some curry potatoes on today. For him, I'm doing some, he and his girlfriend, I'm doing some boiled rice, and I'm doing some, ooh, look at that, some curry chicken. Guys, this is what it's all about. Look at that. Came up in the place and just cooking up a storm for my son and his girlfriend. Look at it, guys. I went ahead also and I seasoned up a whole bunch of chicken, so he have chicken for the next time he wanted to make the curry chicken or stew chicken as well. Yeah, that's what I'm doing today inside his place at his house with him and his girlfriend, cooking up a whole storm here. Look at that, guys. Yep. What do you think about it when you come into? What do you think? Yeah, guys, we took them shopping as well. We went and stock up their whole entire fridge. Let me show you what a mother comes to town and look at that. I wish I had it before it was empty. People in them living in the house empty. Just came through and just stocked him up. Look at that for the baby for him. Also went ahead and stocked the whole freezer up. Yeah. You know what I mean? This is what we do, right, honey? This is what we do. We go and we show love all the way around. Stir that potatoes to me as well, darling. Yeah. So then we cook him a nice plate of food, and then we're going to go and leave our merry way and head back to where we're going, right?
That's correct.
That's what we do.
And roll out.
And roll out. This one here is for him for whenever he wants to cook. So I season up a whole bunch of meat for him as well. That could last him, if he's wise, at least 3 or 5 servings for him, his wife, and the girl. So I'm going to cover this pot now so that I could get nice and curried down. And then that's what it is. And then they're going to have dinner on today. Look at that. Guys, I cook bad curry chicken. Look at that big old curry chicken. Gotta love that. Trini style curry chicken. Yeah.
26 years old, 6'6", 230.